People using this strategy make $66,000 completely for doing nothing. It's a worldwide, so just stay tuned to know how this is working. Before we start explaining and showing you all the strategies proven in this video, I want to tell you something. I'm making a daily video showing my followers how to make money online. If you are interested to start and to receive all brand new strategies in my channel, come here, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification as well in order to send you a notification whenever I have a brand new fresh strategy like this one you are watching right now, showing my followers how to make money online. So just go watch them, they are really fresh and you can start making money using that. So let's go jump to the website that I want to show you today. As I said, the total earned money of the users in this website is actually $66,000 and $172 too. Really, it's such a huge amount of money in order to help you start your own life business. So just keep watching because I'm going to show you the strategies going to help you in order to make all this amount of money that's going to help you in your own life. So just keep watching, don't skip anything. As I said, this strategy is completely free, so don't skip because I'm going to show you how you can do this and to start making money. Really, it doesn't matter where you're from. It is completely free because it doesn't matter where you're from. What matters for me is that are you ready to start working today? I'm not showing you the name of this website. I don't want you to go there, try to figure it out yourself how it's working. You are going to waste a lot of your time. I don't want you to do this. Just keep watching, don't try to do anything. I'm going to save your time. I'm going to give you all the details you need to know about how this is really working, and I'm going to give you some bonuses, some tricks that's going to make the process more fast in order to get the money as soon as possible. If you scroll down, you will find all the features of this website and how early you can start making money. As always, everybody knows how to do surveys, so just keep watching because it's not a normal surveys. There are a lot of things to do about making money using this strategy without, even if you don't want to do daily surveys, I'm going to give you a strategy that's going to help you to do it easy and to start making money. As you see, the second step we have here is Facebook likes. Facebook likes, you are going only to go to the Facebook, click on the like button on some pages on that platform, then congratulations, receive the cash on your own PayPal account. Of course, we have a weekly contest. You are going to enter some contest that's written and made by this. The most important thing that I really like about this website is really it's a worldwide. What's the proof of that is this website exists with 10 different languages separately. Change the 6 default language to one that suits you. It's something easy to do. It's not something hard, or even isn't going to ask you for that much time. Really, it's easy, just focus. And of course, we have the most important in whatever the video we have in our channel, whatever the strategy we have, it's a referral. So you can do a referral of 10% earning of all offers completed. So refer your friends, refer all the people in the social media, in the groups of Facebook that's looking how to make money online. Share with them this website and then ask them to enter using your referral link. Then you are going to earn 10% earnings of all time. So you are going to just keep earning 10% of all the earnings of the friends or your friends who check using your link. Just stay tuned because I'm going now to reveal and to show you the name of this website. Of course, the only step that's holding you back from using and to start making money using the strategy is to have an account. Of course, come here, click on register, then sign up using a brand new account. This is it. This is the form. This is the homepage where you are going to enter your own information. We have, first of all, your username, we have the email address, we have the password, and it's such something randomly people can do today. Of course, we have the first name, your last name, your address, where are you from, of course your city, we have the state and province, we have the zip and postal code, your gender, of course. Then enter this captcha and to start making money. Then enter this captcha and congratulations, you have an account in this website without doing something hard. So this is time to show you the name of this website. The name of the website is earndoing.com. is going to pay you to like pages, to play games, to complete surveys, to listen to music, a lot of things in this website. So just go check it. We have been doing that before, so just go do it right now and start getting paid. This is the homepage that's going to reveal for you when you open and complete your registering of a brand new account. In order to log in to your dashboard, enter your username, your password, then congratulations, you have all the process in order to start making money using this strategy. So this is all about our today's video. If you really enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification in order to allow me to send you a notification whenever I have a brand new video like this one you are watching right now. Smash the subscribe right now.
Catch 'em all.